Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, mail call video right now. It's from Hot Wheels and Diecast Collector. Um, so yeah, we did a little trade, and I finally have the full set of Mountain Drifters because of the trade that we did. So yeah, I will be showing the cars relatively soon after I'm done getting this box fully opened. And then I'll open the cars too. So if you're not seeing anything, it's because I'm busy trying to get to the cars and then open the cars too. So I'll be back shortly with all of that done and taken care of. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, they really picked this up really well. But I got it open somehow. Whoops. Oh, there's a note in there. That's nice. Well, that's cool. He sent me a note. That's really cool. I should have done the same for him, but didn't really think about doing that. Right, finally, I have all 5 of these in my collection. I have no clue which number. Oh, wow, these are expensive. They must got. There's that Target. Oh, there's the Skyline. It's not the Chase, but it looks really nice. And then there's those ones, the Celica, and the blue Mitsubishi. Well, thank you very much, Hot Wheels and Diecast Collector, otherwise known as Jason. I will be opening these cars right now as part of the, keep going for the mail call video. Because I will end the mail call video with all 5 of these open and shown. I'll be back shortly. Ooh, that Mitsubishi looks nice. Honda looks nice too. Yeah, the 03 NSX still does look nice. It's actually my first NSX Type R. So that's cool. Then there's the Nissan non-Chase one. Wow, this actually does look slightly different compared to the other one I have. Oh, it's already opened. So yeah, there's the cars and his note. Bye everyone, thanks for watching this awesome mail call trade video. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you next time in my next cars or video games video or live stream. And really, big shout out to Hot Wheels and Diecast Collector channel. Go subscribe to him if you haven't. That's just my recommendation, not saying you have to, but I know he makes great videos just like I do. Bye. Thanks for watching.